Understanding Conservatism, Unraveling Political Ideologies. Hello, learners. Welcome to our ongoing series on advanced vocabulary in English. In this video, we're delving into professional and academic vocabulary within the realm of government and politics. Today, we're exploring a key political ideology, conservatism. We'll demystify this term and discuss its relevance and usage in everyday and professional contexts. To kick things off, let's define conservatism. Conservatism is a political and social philosophy promoting traditional social institutions in the context of culture and civilization. Central to conservative beliefs is the idea of maintaining the status quo or keeping things as they are. This ideology is often associated with resistance to abrupt change and focus on gradual, evolutionary reforms. When discussing conservatism, certain terms regularly come into play. These terms can give you a more comprehensive understanding of this ideology. Status quo refers to the existing state of things. In the context of conservatism, maintaining the status quo is often a primary goal. Another term, traditional values, refers to long-standing principles or standards, often related to family structure, morality, and social norms. Now, let's look at how we can use this term and related vocabulary in sentences. 1. The politician's conservative views were reflected in his policies favoring limited government intervention. 2. She believes in maintaining the status quo to prevent societal upheaval. 3. His voting record demonstrates a commitment to traditional values and conservative principles. Remember, the best way to understand and remember these words is by using them in sentences and everyday conversations. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can further enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for conservative are traditionalist, conventional, and orthodox. Meanwhile, antonyms, or words with opposite meanings, include progressive, radical, and revolutionary. That wraps up our exploration of the term, conservatism. We hope this video helps you understand this political ideology better and enriches your professional and academic English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is an ongoing journey, and each new word brings you one step closer to fluency. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.